Okay, today I'm making watermark. Put a watermark on. So now you need to go to here to your face and then go to YouTube beta, and then you can see this one. Now you are in the channel dashboard, and then you need to find the bottom here. You need to find this Creator Studio Classic, and then you click that one, and then you find this stuff, then you just skip it, and then now you find this is the one that will come out, the Creator Studios. Now you need to find your channel down there. Click the channel. Now then you find the branding. Then you need to click this one. Click, and then now you will see this kind, add watermark. Okay, now this is the one you're gonna see, right? And then you need to click the choice files. Now my files is over there. This is the one I want to put. Now you need just open it. Open. Now it's here, right? This one now. And then now you can save it. You need to save that one now. You need to save it. Now it's there, right? You're the uploading watermark, right? There's yung agad. Now now you need to save it again. Save. Press the save. And then it's there. Did you see that? It's there now. And then now you need to click custom start time. You need to click the arrow, and then you want him to you can choose end of the video, custom start time, or entire video. I like to put entire videos, so I put in the entire videos. It's there. It's very easy, guys. So there, I hope you learn, and you can follow my tutorial. And thank you for watching. Thank you, guys.